Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome back to my channel. In today's mixed media project, I'll be using this stamp which is from Kirabella Studios. Then I'll be using this stamp. It is from Stampendius and it's beautiful with all kinds of designs on it. So I'll be using that, and then this Derwent Inktense pencils. I'm going to use those things for the background. Then watercolor paper, 140 pound watercolor paper. So this stencil which is from Crafters Workshop, I'm going to put all the list below in the description box. Then let's have fun doing this project. Please join me with whatever you have. So now I'm just lightly coloring the background with the pencil, scribbling it. If you are watching my videos, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to click on the bell button and turn on the notification. Now I'm going to use water and blend everything together. It's going to be a very light background. You can even use watercolor or even crayons for the background. Even distress oxide spray is also good. But I was trying to make something which is very light background and more focus on the stamps and color of the elements. I'm going to dry everything. Now add little more colors. It doesn't have to be a perfect background, but just that little color is needed for the paper. Now I'm going to stamp this Kerala stamp. Now I'm using this Stampedia stamp. I'm going to try and see how I can use on different areas also. I'm using this round, or I could say as a dotted stencil, and using acrylic paint. I'm just scribbling with my pen. I'm using this gel pen and coloring some areas. Now I'm going to color the edges. I'm using this Neocolor black crayon. I'm also using this archival ink for stamping. And I'm using this Spellbinder die, and I did the die cut off camera. Now I'm going to all put together and use it in this project. If you are watching my videos, please subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button and turn on the notification. And if you like me to post more videos like this, please leave your comments below. I'm using this butterfly sticker and also attaching in this project. Now as a quote, I'm using word dream. Now I'm going to highlight it. So this finishes my project. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.